Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 6th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will study the third part of chapter number 9, the living organisms and their surroundings. Children, in this third part of the video, we will study about the adaptations in the terrestrial habitats like the mountains, trees, animals and grasslands. We will also study about the adaptations in a lion and deer. Mountains. In the mountains, the weather is very cold and windy. The ground is covered with snow. These conditions make it difficult for the trees to grow there and for the animals to move around and find food. Trees in the mountainous region. The trees are normally cone shaped and have sloping branches. Now the trees in the mountainous regions had adapted themselves to survive there. For that they are normally the cone shaped and they are having the sloping branches so that the snow can slide away. The leaves of some of these trees are needle-like, which help the rainwater and snow to slide off easily. But there could be trees with shapes very different from this that are also present on the mountains. They may have different kind of adaptations to survive on the mountains. Now we will study about the animals that are living in the mountainous region. Animals like yak, snow leopard, mountain goats are some of the examples living in the mountain regions. The first animal that we will study is the yak. Now children, yak is a very huge animal. Now how the yak had adapted himself to live in the mountainous regions? They have long hairs to keep themselves warm. Snow leopard has thick fur on its body, including feet and toes, which protect them from the cold. This protects its feet from the cold when it walks on the snow. Mountain goat. The mountain goat has strong hooves for running up the rocky slopes of the mountains. Grasslands. In a grassland, mainly grasses are found, but few trees can also be seen. Grasslands have hot dry summers with low availability of water, and a large number of animals are also found in this region. Predators and prey. A lion is an animal that obtains its food by killing other smaller animals like deer. Now here children, lion is a carnivore and a deer is herbivore. In this case, lion is said to be the predator and the deer is its prey. Now, a predator is a carnivore animal that feeds on its prey, and a predator is usually bigger in size than the prey. Predators like lions develop a number of adaptations to be good at hunting their prey. Similarly, prey like deer also develop adaptations to escape from their predators. Now we will study about the adaptations in a lion. Lions have sharp teeth and long claws on its front leg which help them to grab and stab the prey. Its light brown color helps it to hide in dry grassland when it hunts for prey. Their eyes are in the front of the face which allow them to have a correct idea about the location of its prey. Adaptations in a deer. The body color is such that it can blend into its surroundings, thus avoiding being caught by the predators. Now the children, the deer can camouflage with the surroundings so that they could not be caught by the predators. A deer has strong teeth for chewing hard plant stems of the forest. The deers have the long ears to hear and recognize the movement of the predators so that they can run away from the predators. The eyes are present on the side of the head so that it can look in all directions. This helps in them to escape from the danger. The deers can run very fast, which help them to run away from the predators.